Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I will be doing a video, my first 2025 video on how to log in your Talkatone account. Yes, the Talkatone account. I know some of you are having issue logging into your Talkatone account. This is to log in, not sign up, not creating account. This is just to log in. Alright, so now what I will do is I'll first go to my Talkatone and I will clear the data. After clearing the data, now I go to my VPN. Yes. Alright. Thank you. Let's connect. I'm connecting to United States. Alright. Now I'm connected, I guess. Yeah, I'm connected, so I can just to confirm. I just want to confirm if my location and Mexico. I don't know why. So let's refresh our browser, our IP. All right, let's go and check this now. So let's refresh again. New York. Okay, now we can go. So Talkatone, let's open. Sign up, sign in. All right. So here we are, but I'm not yet done here. As you all know, I just want to make a simple information about what's going on with Talkatone account. If you don't know, currently Talkatone are doing a lot of banning. They are banning some accounts, a lot of accounts, and they are disabling a lot of accounts also as of this 2025. So if I will recommend, if you are having issues signing in your account, once you try it, it works. Don't try logging out, logging in. Don't try it. They will detect your account and ban it. Once you just successfully sign up once, if you don't just need it, don't use it. Don't just open it anyhow. If you are not in use of it, just allow it to rest. Once you need it, you open it, but don't over open it with a lot of VPN. They will detect your account and ban it. That's just it. And once they ban it, I contacted their customer care. They said once the account is gone, they cannot do anything about it. So formerly I use this email site to log in, but now I will be using the sign in with Google to continue. So I click on sign in with Google. All right, let's check this. Let's go with this account. All right, as you can see, we are in already. Please note, for some of you that I will make video on signing in video and you tell me that why is there some calls and some messages. This is signing in video, not sign off videos. So, and for some of you guys having issue with WhatsApp, that you cannot sign up with WhatsApp, I will make my next video will be on that. As you can see, this is my number right here. Let me check if I can view the number without posting the video. Nah. I just come to the sign and to the setting page because I have to pause the video because I cannot click where particular the setting is. I need to post my recorder, so that's why I post the video. So as you can see currently, this is the setting, and here, right here, you can see the number up right here. So this number, let me show you guys. You can see right here, this is the number down here. Let me show you guys. Brush, and you can see the number down here. The number down here, you can, if you want, you can view it. So is the same as the, you can see the number right here, right here. So Talkatone number still work for WhatsApp. You just have to find it. So in my next video, I will be doing video on that. So in today's video, that's just all for today. If you have any error and any other comment, you drop it out in the comment section and I will reply you. Thank you.